Hi, Betty. Oh. Are we putting fruit on our head? Where did all your fruit go? It went down there somewhere. Here you go, baby. Have some more fruit. Betty. Oh, fruity head. Fruity head, Betty. What about you, Alex? Fruity head, Alex. Fruity head, Alex. Fruity head, Betty. Fruity head, Betty spaghetti. Fruity head. Fruity head, Miss Alex. Fruity heads, Betty and Alex. Betty. Betty. Yeah, did you have a good lunch, babe? Yeah? Did you have a good lunch? Yeah, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yum, yum. Yum, yum. What about all the fruit? Where did all the fruit go, Betty? More fruit. There's more fruit. Just all going in your head. Where's Betty's head? Oh, Betty. 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 Betty, where's Homer? Where's the dog? Is he down there? Dog, yeah. Where's Alex? Where's Alex? Is she right there? Where's Mommy? Where's Mommy? Yeah? Are you looking outside the window? What do you see? You see cars? Yeah, cars. Cars go driving by. Zoom, zoom. Zoom, zoom, Betty. Zoom, zoom. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Look at your monkey face. You're so cute. What about you, Alex? What does the cars do? Do they go zoom, zoom? Zoom, zoom. Zoom, zoom, Alex. Zoom, zoom. Oh, Miss Alex. Oh, Miss Alex. Oh, yeah? Are you guys all done? Are you guys all done with lunch? All done. Did you have a nice lunch with pizza and breadsticks? Yum, yum. Yeah, it's just okay. Yeah, it's just okay. Yeah.